In this video, we will show you how to assemble and use the Acer electric scooter Series 3 Advance for the first time. In the box, you will find everything except Nemo. Scooter body, hexagonal wrench and screws, charger, warranty booklet, and user manual. Remember to read user's manual carefully. Not a fan of folding laundry? There is a thing you can unfold. Open the kickstand. Lift up the front tube and handlebar. Lock the folding lever. Insert the connector to the front tube. Tighten the screws on both sides of the pipe with hexagonal key. If you were born ready, your scooter is almost there. Connect the charger to wall outlet and its other end to the charging slot under the stem on the side. The charger indicator is red at charging and green at charging complete. Press and hold power button for 3 seconds. No need to hold it longer. To change the gear, press the power button twice. To turn on head or tail lights, use the light switches on the right side of the handle. To use turning lights, press the switch on the left side of the handle. On speed mode 1, you have the lights always on. The display allows you to monitor your gear, speed, power level, and light status. We want to keep you well informed. To start the ride, put your foot on the footstep and push the ground with the other foot. Once the scooter moves forward, put the other foot on the footstep and gradually push the throttle. To stop the scooter, release the accelerator lever while pressing brake lever accordingly to vehicle speed. To turn off the scooter, press and hold power button for 3 seconds. Folding the scooter is a piece of cake. Press anti-release button. Unlock the folding lever. When your scooter is folded, you can use the strap to carry it anywhere. To unfold it again, follow the same steps in reverse, and it still will be a cake of peace. We want you to ride safe. That's why Scooter has 8.5-inch foam tires. Remember to ride with caution and always wear a helmet. And in case it rains, we got you covered.